In this video we will see how simple to issue a purchase order to supplier. Earlier we have created a sales order number 24. From that we can generate a BOM. Based on this we will issue a supplier PO. We are creating a PO. Here, we can mention the ship to address where the delivery has to happen. Here simpliRP enables you to mark this supplier PO to a particular customer sales order. This will enable you mark that supply for that customer order or see how much you are spending against one order. Then we will enter items according to the BOM. The specialty of simpliRP is, on the right side, system will show you last 10 supplier purchase prices comparison and last 10 vendor quotation comparison. This will enable the purchase department to place order on lowest price, or maybe take a calculated risk. GST will be automatically calculated so that there is no error or disputes later on. Once PO is confirmed, it will come in a structured format and it can be saved as PDF too. You can now see the PO automatically going to the Follow UP planners, where you see calendar planner for pending deliveries against each PO. This gives a heads up to the purchase managers. simpliRP also enables you to attach drawings and other custom free text documents against each PO. These documents will get attached to PO forever for future reference. simpliRP also helps you to capture all discussions and conversations with suppliers. This will help you knowing the history of that supplier. You can also create a copy of your previous purchase orders. This will be helpful in case of repeat purchase orders. Again, when you go to the sales order costing sheet, it will show the PR and PO raised against that sales order and also the pending material against the PO. This will help you in plan ahead. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your vendor management process. Thank you.